Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just want to thank everybody for supporting my show. I did some looking at my stats on my YouTube channel, and I've got 12.6 thousand subscribers now, plus a lot of viewers that don't subscribe. And you've watched my videos. I couldn't believe, I went over here and I clicked on About, and I have now over 4 million views. Now, if you're talking about a YouTuber that reviews games, he might get 4,000 views on one video in a couple of days. But me, since I only talk about radios and scanners and a few gadgets and stuff like that, getting 4 million reviews is impressive to me. And I want to thank everybody for watching my shows. Also, I did not realize that I joined and started doing videos in 2009. I think in the video I did a couple of days ago, I said I've been doing this for six years. Well, I was wrong about that. It's almost 12 years. And it's been a lot of fun because I'm getting a lot of support from my viewers and subscribers. A lot of information. I'm no expert, and this whole show is about sharing information. And I know the last couple of shows I've done about the new Texan radios, I've gotten a lot of good inputs from my viewers and other YouTubers about those new radios. The other thing is, I didn't realize, and let me go back over here to videos, and then if I sort by oldest video, I forgot about these first couple of videos I did using the Kobe webcam, and that kind of got me into, I said, it's not too bad. Got me into doing videos. And so and that was 11 years ago. And then very soon after that, I started doing my Tom's Radio Room shows. In some of the shows, if I go look at some of the older shows, let me see. Ooh, boy, back then, oh man, they were kind of bad. Anyway, we'll skip that. The other thing is, I want to thank everybody for supporting my shows by viewing my videos and sitting through the ads. I get a little commission. I use that commission to buy things to review. That's all it's used for. And it's not a lot of money, it's some money. And then also, I have set up several years ago a Amazon store. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon stores, anybody can set up an Amazon store, and it's basically just a web page on Amazon. So you don't have any merchandise or anything. You're just showing people what you suggest they look at. And here's some things here. And the beauty of this setup is if you click below my video, and I'm going to just go back and show you one in case you're not familiar with this. I need to pick a new one, so let's sort this by newest. Now, what had happened to me and many people is about 2 years ago, Amazon changed their setup and gave everybody new links, and so your old links weren't any good anymore. So my old shows, which I think that hit me about show 1300 and back, have my old link, and that'll work. And I have not gone back and edited one at a time each of those videos to fix those links. But if you go to a new show like this one right here, and then we'll stop it. Down here is the link to my new Amazon store. And if you go there, this is where it takes you, it looks a little different for you, and purchase one of these items in my store, then I get a small credit on Amazon that I use to buy more stuff to review my show. And if you take this link and then you go, there's nothing there where you want to buy. Then you go to some other place on Amazon while you're there and buy something, I get a credit. It could be something as simple as birdseed, and I get a credit. So it doesn't have to be stuff in my store. So again, I want to thank everybody for taking that extra step when they've got something in mind they want to buy. Like I say, even if it was birdseed, you take the link, you get to Amazon, and then you go do your search for birdseed. Then I get that small commission. And I use that small commission, all of it, I use it to buy things to review on my show. And lastly, I want to thank those sellers who have provided me with things to review on my show. Like this is the Redicus cassette player that was sent to me by Redicus for review. Iron Snow sent me this portable power station and this radio here and many others to review on my show. And then many of these things I purchased with the small commission that I made when you purchase things on the show. Okay. That takes care of that. Oh, and here is, again on Amazon, the Redicus advertisement on Amazon. And like I say, they have sent me a lot of radios to review. And I have some this morning. They reached out and said, would you like to review some more radios? So hopefully they're going to send me a couple more radios of theirs so I can review on my show. And I do an honest review, and I can honestly say 99% of the radios I really like. I really do like. So that's where we are there. Finally, Rob 741, that's the name of his channel, spelled out, 741, and we have done shows together, several shows together over the past couple of years. Well, we expanded things and brought in 2 more people and did a round table. And it's right here. If you go to his channel, here it is, 741, one of his most recent posts is this round table that Bob, this is Kevin, this is Ugly Me, and this is Rob. We did this round table, and in this particular portion of it, we discussed the new FCC license for hams and VHF repeater activity. So you want to check that out. Go to Rob's channel, 741. So as I said, 2020, as far as my channel, was a good year. Otherwise, with the virus and everything, not so good. And I'm getting organized. I'm going to try some more new things this year. I'm going to do more streaming shows. I very seldom do a streaming show, but I'm going to do some more and see if it is something you like. I'm not going to attempt to do a scheduled streaming show. I tried that once and I couldn't keep the schedule, and so I kept missing things, and I was like, okay, let's don't do schedule, but I will try to schedule a show in advance, because in the past when I've done a live show, I just said, hey, this is interesting, I'm going to go live. So I'm going to try to schedule things this year, and I want to do more shows with these people right here. So that should be exciting. Rob's done a lot of work getting this video ready for viewing. We had a few flubs. It was our first time. We hope to do it. We did this not live because we were afraid of the flubs, and it was our first time. It's a good thing we did. And he even put at the end of this show some of our flubs, some of our goof ups. So check that out. Check out Rob's channel, 741. So that's about it. I'm really excited about doing some new reviews on new radios to me. And I've got a multimeter that I've had for about 4 weeks now, that it's new on the market as of maybe 2 months ago, and it has a technology that I was not aware of that I'm going to show you and test it. So that's coming up. Anyway, that's it. I've babbled enough. Again, thanks everybody for supporting my shows, and have a great day. Bye-bye.